Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn the new lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 2nd, lesson number 3, Parts of a Computer. So dear students, watch the video carefully. Dear students, a computer is made up of many parts. There are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, speakers, and printer. You can see all the parts of a computer on screen. Dear students, let's learn about all parts of a computer in detail. The monitor. Dear students, the monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows whatever you type using the keyboard. You can watch videos on it. So my dear students, in this video we have learned about the parts of a computer and about the monitor. So watch the video carefully.